It's Summer and I'm back again with another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about this hair that I got. It is so pretty. But like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'm going to get right on to the video for y'all. Okay, so when I first got this hair, it was black. It didn't come in this color. And when I first got it, it didn't have too much of a smell to it. It was like, it wasn't that bad of a smell, but I always wash my hair when I get it. So after I washed it, you know, it smelled better or whatever. But I had to dye it, so I used the L'Oreal High Color in Magenta. I used 3 tubes of that, and I used the 40 developer that comes with the L'Oreal Magenta. And I don't know how much the 40 developer I used. I just mixed it all together. It didn't really matter. I just mixed it until I got like the pasty consistency. So after I dyed it, I let it dry, whatever. And my closure is in a 20, and my bundles are in a 22 inch. And when I first got them, they weren't this long because I had to stretch the hair. When I put it up to my head, it probably landed like right here, sort of, kind of, I think like right here, something like that. But when I stretched it, it got longer. But I have to say, I really like this hair. This is Nadula hair. I think I said that already, I don't know, but this is Nadula hair, and I really like it. I like the color and the way how it goes on my skin, brings out my skin tone and stuff like that. But Nadula, this is really good hair. And the way how I style it, I use some I use a spray bottle, and I use a little bit of mousse to style it and stuff like that. That's how it gets this this texture. But like when it's dry, it gets a little poofy. But I don't mind that. I like that poofiness. It's real cute, I think. But my closure, this is my first time getting a middle part closure, and I really like it. I think I'm gonna get another one soon. I don't know yet, but I really like the hair. It's real cute. Like I said, it didn't shed too much. I say like after I dyed it, it started shedding just a little bit, but not to that degree. But it's not that bad, I don't think. And then like when I put the mousse in my hair, I brush it out and stuff like that. And the hair is really soft. It's really soft. But when I first got it, like when I brushed out the curls, it was so cute. But I mean, you know, the dye is chemicals and dye and stuff like that, so it's gonna change the hair a little bit. So I just came back from the nail shop, and I wanted to show y'all how it looked poofy. This is how it looks poofy. See, it's real cute, and I like it like this. I like it like this. This is like some cute hair, like for real. And it's, like I said, no shedding and stuff like that. And then get it back to that wavy, wet looking state. Just get you a spray bottle and some mousse, and it'll get you together real quick, okay? But yeah, get you something to do like hair, period, okay? Oh, I sound ratchet. Let me stop. Y'all see how the sunlight then came out on me? But the hair came so fast. It came in like 2 days after I ordered it. I was so happy. And then I got my hair done Monday, and this is the second day I had it in, and it still looks great. I still love it, and it's just perfect. Y'all should get y'all some Nadula hair. I really like Nadula hair. I think I might buy it again. I don't know yet. I like this texture the most. I don't know about the other textures, but this texture is the bomb, okay? And they also sent me some lashes. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these for real, because I don't like lashes. I don't wear lashes for real. But that's a plus, so I don't know. I might. They're cute. But I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box below from where I bought this hair from, and stuff like that. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next YouTube video.